Hi everybody, today we are going to do one of my most requested bow tutorials, which is how to make bows with tulle. And this is the first one that I'm going to do, but I've got a series of about 6. I've got them next to me as well. I won't show you because we won't get distracted. But this is the super cute one we're going to do today, and this is just a simple couple of layered ones. It's about 4 or 5 layers. And it's just a really cute way of showing off these adorable patterned ribbon pattern tools, which I absolutely adore. This is a daisy one, and I've got some more of the same version on my template ready to go. And I'll just take this off for you, and we will measure this. This is the tool. As you can see, it's like a pale blue colour with these daisies on it. I think, yep, so this side is the right side up, this side obviously, can you see here you've got the white going into the daisy middle, and on the front obviously you can't see those, so that's the correct way up. Like I said, this is with the little designs all the way along. So this is about 26 inches in total, and I'll put the measurements in the description below, along with the suppliers for all the tool and templates, etc., things like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the tool. This is my 4-inch template, and you want to start the wrap just over your stitch guide, just a little bit, and then I take a clip. I'm just going to use that to hold that in place, and then you just wrap round until you basically run out of tulle. The more tulle you use, the more layers you get, and the sort of more colour to the lighter tulles you'll get, depending on how many layers you actually do. So when I'm happy with everything, I move the clip so it's that side, and then you just take your thread, super simple, throw them above. You want to do 6. So in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and your last one back up through the back at the top of your layers. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to take this off our template, so you have 3 stitches on the back, and we are going to pull our thread up and get 3 nice pinches to our bow. Wrap that round, keep it right on the centre where your stitch starts, and cinch that a little bit. Now the fun thing about this one is, if you wanted to, you can leave it like this and just add your centre, and you've still got a cute, perfect tulle bow like this. Put that off, put the thread out of the way. So like I said, if you want to, you can have it like that, like I said, with the edges sealed, or if you want to get the style that I've just shown you, take your scissors through the whole loop, cut, and the same the other side. For all your loops, pull it quite tight and cut, and that will help you get the nice curve to the, and then I've got some matching blue 9mm, similar colour to the tool. Heat seal that edge. We're going to put a touch of glue here, and the tool that I am using is, let me just to measure it for you. I do believe this one comes set at about 2 inches wide, which I like. I like the ready cut ones that are a specific size instead of cutting it down myself. Personal preferences and all that. Mainly because I don't have a very steady hand, and when I try and hand cut these things I tend to have too many jagged edges, so I absolutely love these ready made ones. So let me show you. Got some more here for the next tutorial. So this is what it looks like. You can get many different styles. I've got daisies, I've got stars, I've got moons and stars, and this one's about 2.5. You can get 2.5. You can get 2, 2.5 and 3 inches depending on what kind of bows that you are making. So that's all attached there. I'm going to put a touch of glue on our 9mm and wrap your centre as normal. So attach that in, round once, open it up, just move that out of the way. Do that nice and tight, round over the original ribbon, cut the little extra down, heat seal that, and put that in the centre. And there you go, you've got a super cute mini little tulle bow using the 2-inch wide version. Like I said, I believe this is either from Little Gems Ribbon and Resins or from Heartfelt Craft Supply. I cannot remember because I've got a few different designs from the both of them, so I'll put the links for both of those in the description for you. But like I said, it is so cute. Such a little one, and really simple to make. There you go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye!